Cassandra Spykerman and I am a speech and drama instructor. I'm also an actor and also a singer. So yes, I will be joining HCAC as a speech and drama instructor for children. And yes, I'm really excited. What will the children be learning at this speech and drama workshop? One, the most important, they'll be learning how to be unapologetically themselves and that it's okay to be different. And of course, they will be in touch with their physical self, their mental self, their spiritual self, and of course, how to take care of themselves. And they'll be having so much fun. We'll be doing a lot of physical activities. We'll also be touching on the UN goals. So every semester will be focused on one UN goal, and I really love this idea because we'll be doing all sorts of activities in relation to the UN goals. And it's really amazing because the children get to understand in their own way. So if you're looking for somewhere where children get to explore themselves and to learn things that they don't learn in school, come join us. And I promise it will be super, super fun.